Ona mbere ya mwena wa Mung'ethaniro uheanite maritwa ma memba atano aria mekung'ethanira na mwena wa thirikari miario-ini ya wiguano, nditimurano na guthimana icoka ni ciambiriirie.
To you by Honorable Munya.
Ndumiriri-ini iria ithomirwo ni uria wari minister wa urimi Peter Munya, Mung'ethaniro ugite ni utaukitwo ati thirikari ni irakungia wara wa guteneria miario ino iria yerigirirwo gutafarirwo ni uria wari president wa Nigeria Olesegun Obasanjo.
We take note that Kenya Kwanza is trying to deny His Excellency Obasanjo's presence and leadership of the talks. That would be a very unfortunate development indeed. It points to Kenya Kwanza now institutionalizing the culture of deceit and taking it to the global stage. They denied the presence of President Suluhu here a few weeks ago, and now they want to deny the presence of His Excellency Obasanjo.
Na niguo gwithemana na nganja ingi yumiria mbere ya kire gikariririo na kuiguithanirio, Azimio ni mongeire mikana ingi iguru wa ngarama ya iguru ya muturire, uthurima githurano kia president kia mwaka muhituku, ona guthagathagio gwa ciama iria ciombite ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance.
It is our position that no party to these negotiations can and should determine for the other party what to raise and what not to raise. We will respect Kenya Kwanza's right to bring all its issues to the table, and they must also respect ours.
Mung'ethaniro riu urauga no nginyagia thirikari ikuhithio murigo na ngarama ya njuragano, ona nguraro iria cihanikite kuma mirurungano ya Azimio ya njiririe, na iguru wa uguo thirikari etianirie miario ya ati aria mamenyitaga mbaru ni mabatie kugunika mbere.
In light of what has transpired these past days, we will bring to the table the issue of accountability and responsibility for the brutality and abuse of human rights of protesters.
Nario thiko imwe kuma igoti ria gucokia macira riko kuhitukia kurutithio wira kwa watho wa kigina wa mwaka uyu, Azimio maruga no nginyagia watho uyu gerekwo kabiro keri amundu raura mukenya bigiga ya ngarama ya muturire iria ari nayo kwa ihinda riri indi no kumuongerera.
We want to see actions by the regime that will lead to the immediate lowering of cost of living. It is our position that this issue does not require any discussion, but policy or action by the Kenya Kwanza government. But since they won't do it, lowering the cost of living has to be part of the talks.
Gukire uguo Azimio maugite riu kamiti ya mbere yathaganitio gwetha wiguano ni uhoro muthiru, makiuga iria iguthagania miario igithiaga na mbere ciungano cia muingi itiguthira amu gatiba ni heanite rutha. Ndumiriri ya utongoria wa Azimio ni amukiritio ni gavana wa Siaya James Orengo na mubunge wa Rarienda Otiende Amolo, makiuga thirikari no nginyagia itikire kwina thina na oho makiagira kiene atongoria ya Kenya Kwanza aria marauga muoroto ni kwigwatira gacunji ga thirikari.
When the Ruto is being honest about discussions and about dialogue, the first thing that he should do is either to repeal the finance bill or suspend the operation of the finance bill.
Kamiti iria yathaganitio bunge-ini kwariria mateta ma miena yeri yarugamirie cikaro ciayo thutha wa mwena wa Azimio kuga mwena wa thirikari nduranyita ndeto iyo na urito. Riu wagweterwo ni mwerekera uria mieri ino ikuoya kuna kuri na mwaho umwe thirikari ni urutire president Ruto Mukaana agikorwo ni akurutithania wira na mutongoria wa Azimio Raila Odinga. Giribotera Kameme TV retore kwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.